Hey y'all, and welcome to my bedroom. Today's video is going to be some spring/Easter decor, and I am so excited to be getting this room done. I have this room and then the living room and the front porch left to go, and I have several projects going on in my house, so it has been kind of crazy trying to figure out which video to put up next. So I've decided that I'm going to get all my spring decor done, and then I'm going to show you the makeover I just did in my house. I just redid my guest room. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. And then I'm gonna get back on that declutter series. I am still continuing to declutter, but it's kind of weird having like spring decor declutters, makeover. So I'm trying to like line it up and get it all in line for y'all. So the next couple videos are going to be spring decor, makeover, and then back to that declutter series. All right, let's get started on this decor. I am so excited. I did stop at Target Dollar Spot, so let me show you. I just picked up a couple little things, so let me show you what I picked up really quickly. So I picked up one of these glass Easter eggs. It's like you can take it apart. I'm sure y'all seen these, but I thought it was so cute and cannot wait to incorporate this into my decor. And then I found these 3 little ducklings that I thought were adorable. I thought these were so cute. Oh my goodness. I also bought some rabbits that are in the same color and like same stuff, but they're in my guest room, and so my daughter's home and she is in there crashed, so I decorated the guest room for Easter, and so I can't show you those, but they look just like these. They're really cute. And then I found this cute little bird cage that I thought would be absolutely adorable. So yeah, those are my new things. I hadn't bought like a ton. I love Target Dollar Spot, y'all. If y'all don't have a Target, go find a Target and go to the Target Dollar Spot, because you can get so many things on a budget there. Such cute stuff. All right, let's get started, y'all.
I wanted to take just a couple of moments and explain to you where I've been the last couple of weeks. I've been having video editing software issues. It has been such a nightmare. I think I finally have it figured out, hopefully, since I'm getting this video out. I have edited this video probably 8 or 9 times and it keeps deleting, and so yeah, it's just been kind of a nightmare. I've been so frustrated, but hopefully I have this figured out, and so glad to have y'all a new video out today. I can hardly believe that Easter is almost here. Do you have all your Easter decor up or your spring decor up? What do y'all do for dinner on Easter? Do y'all have big family gatherings, or do you, what do you cook for those family gatherings if you have them? Do you cook lamb or ham, or do you do like a roast? Let me know in the comments what your Easter traditions are. I think this little glass egg is so cute. However, it was giving me a run for my money. It took me probably 10 to 15 minutes to get those flowers and that bunny up in there just right, and then slide the bottom on and get it set up there. It kept falling over and stuff. So if y'all have a bunny, or not a bunny, but an egg like this, let me know if what your trick was to get all your stuff mushed up in there and set up just right without it messing up. This wall was bare because after Christmas I took the picture up there that I had down because it was a Christmas picture, and so I had to shop my house and find something to put there, and I found these two little prints in my master bathroom, and they were hanging over the towel rack in there, and I thought, ooh, those will go really good in my bedroom, so I stole them and put them over here. So now I'm going to have to go to Hobby Lobby or somewhere and find something to replace the empty spot in my bathroom. If you're new today, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm going to take just a moment and tell you about myself. I'm Rachel. I'm 48 years old and I am an empty nester. On my channel, you'll find all things homemaking. I have some home makeovers coming up, decluttering. I do cooking, DIY, clothing hauls. I love to shop on a budget. So if that sounds like something you would like, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications, and also hit that thumbs up to help my algorithm out. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for supporting me video after video. I know this isn't really a springy type blanket, but I love this blanket so much. I use it every morning while I'm drinking coffee and snuggle with it, and I just can't put it up. I know it's more of a wintry throw, but I love the color of it, and it's just so cozy and soft that I just can't put it up, and I don't want to give it up. So it's just going to stay out for now. Everything in my house seems to have a coating of dust on it. I am so tired of it. I cannot wait to start doing some spring cleaning. It is just driving me insane. So I'm trying to declutter, but I don't like to spring clean and declutter at the same time, if that makes sense. Like, I like to declutter first and then go back and spring clean. Maybe I'm just making it hard on myself. I don't know. Do y'all spring clean and declutter at the same time, or do it separately like I do? Let me know in the comments. I am absolutely loving all these little touches of spring. They're just brightening my home up so much. We've had so much rain. It has been so depressing. Not just a day or two, but like weeks of rain. And it has just been very difficult to deal with. And so I'm loving all the bright colors coming in my home and just making it feel so cheerful. So at the first of the video, I said we were going to be decorating my master bedroom. Well, I decided to go ahead and just get my living room done too. So surprise, bonus, you get 2 rooms for 1. So we're going to go ahead and get started on my living room now. Y'all know that I absolutely love decorating. I love to decorate for all the seasons, but we must not forget the real reason for Easter is because Jesus died on the cross for our sins so that we can have a second chance and be saved. And I am so thankful for His grace and mercy, and that we can get up and start each day anew. I'm just going to read from Matthew 28. The angel said to the woman, "Do not be afraid, for I know that you are looking for Jesus who was crucified. He is not here. He has risen, just as he said. Come, see the place where he lay. Then go quickly and tell his disciples he has risen from the dead and going ahead of you into Galilee. There you will see him. Now I have told you." trying to get Samson to move off the couch, but he just wasn't having it. He was not budging. I don't know what he was doing the night before, but he must have been having a good old time because he would not budge. He was out like a light. I am just gonna have to say it again. I just think everything looks so pretty and it's just brightening up my home so much. I'm absolutely loving it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Also, would y'all like to see an Easter home tour video, or would you like for me to go ahead and move on with my videos? I do have one more Easter decor video, which is my front porch, and then after that we'll be switching to something else. So let me know in the comments down below. All right, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.